Hey, how are you doing, Sojourners? It's early morning. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. I have not even had breakfast yet. But the sun is out and I have some string bean and some more kale to reap. And here I am in my garden trying to get that done before the sun comes out. See, I have reaped enough for a meal. Isn't that great, guys? So now I'm going to be cutting some kale. So Sojourners, I've reaped some kale and I've reaped some string bean this morning, and I'll be sharing with my neighbors. So hey Sojourners, this morning I reaped some kale from my garden and I'm about to show you one of the ways in which I prepare my kale. Okay, so stay tuned, and in the meantime, if this is your first time watching, will you please just stop and subscribe and click the notification bell. That helps to grow my channel. Thank you for doing that. Okay, so here we go. First, I'm going to be washing my kale and allowing it to drain for a few minutes. Okay. On this plate I have some scallion, some garlic finely chopped, some onion finely chopped, some thyme, some bell peppers, and these are diced, some hot pepper, and all of these ingredients are coming from my backyard garden. These peppers and the scallion and the pepper, they are what I reaped from last year, and what I do is to wash them, cut them up, and put them in zipper bags and freeze them, and I have them to use right through the year until I reap again. Okay, so here I have some total seasoning, black pepper, salt, and my olive oil. Okay, now to that, I'm going to be adding my bell peppers. To that, I'm going to be adding some red pepper. Now I'm going to be adding my kale. Going to be adding some salt and just a dash of salt. I don't use a lot of salt, just a dash. Some black pepper. Some of my favorite seasoning. I'm going to reduce the heat and cover for a few minutes. Cover and allow this to steam for about 5 or so minutes. Then I stir again. This smells so good already. Wow. It's not even cooked yet and it's smelling good. And here it is. Look at that, guys. That is so colorful and so yummy. So this is ready now. Guys, I'm going to taste it. Guys, this is so crunchy and delicious. You need to try it. Wow. Sojourners, guess what? Dinner is ready. Over here you have some bulgur, piece of salmon, some string beans or green beans, some squash and zucchini, and over here we have the kale that I cooked. So kale, zucchini and squash, string bean, salmon, and some bulgur. Dinner is ready.